Stop struggling with complex Excel formulas and messy spreadsheets. What if you could just ask your data questions in plain English and get instant charts, tables, and insights? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FormulaBot, an AI-powered data analyst that's trusted by over 1 million users worldwide to analyze data 10 times faster. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or someone who just hates dealing with nested Excel formulas, this tool is designed for you. To get started, you simply head over to formulabot.com and sign up. You don't even need a credit card to try it out for free. Once you're in, the process is incredibly simple. First, you upload or connect your data. FormulaBot allows you to combine data across multiple sources effortlessly. Once your data's in, you literally just type out what you want in plain English. For example, you can ask, "How were daily sales last week?" and the AI will instantly generate the answer along with clear visual charts. But it goes way beyond just answering questions. You can use it to create stunning, interactive dashboards in seconds. You just describe what you need, pick a template style like clean corporate, glass, or narrative, and the AI builds it for you. You can also use it to manipulate and organize messy datasets, clean up columns, merge files, and even perform instant text analysis, like detecting the sentiment of customer reviews. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it completely eliminates the need for coding or memorizing Excel formulas, saving you hours of manual work. It's highly visual, intuitive, and secure. As for the cons, while the platform is trusted by major companies, we have limited third-party user reviews in our current research to analyze detailed user complaints. Additionally, because it is an AI tool, you do have to upload your data to the platform, though FormulaBot emphasizes strong data privacy and security. Overall, if you want to turn raw numbers into beautiful, actionable insights in seconds without the headache, FormulaBot is absolutely worth a look. Head over to formulabot.com to try it for free today. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use it.